Welcome to Mathematical Olympiad. We have synthetical problems on equalities for today. One, we have to show that this problem, absolute value of f of x is less or equals than 5, 4. For all x belong to this point, -1 to comma 1. Okay, so let fx equals ax to the second power plus bx plus c. C is a, comma b, c belong to real numbers. Okay, r is real numbers. Show that absolute value of x of -1 is less than 1. Also, absolute value f of 0 is less or equals than 1. Same thing, and f but now of 1, so this is -1, 0, and 1 less or equals than 1. All right. So what is the solution? The solution, we have to first in the first moment just write since, look at this, some idea, since open parentheses here, we have to write f of 0. F of 0 is equals c. All right. Also, we have here f of -1. F of -1. So what I mean this is this is a c equals a minus b plus c. Plus c. All right, it's follow, so it follow this. The next one, for of course, f of 1 is equals a plus b plus c. All right, this is very important. So also, so another clue for this is when we have, let's open another parenthesis here, and let's write it here a. We have some data here. A is equals, we have a, we have b, and then we have c. So we need to know what I mean. Those are like variables, and the first one is equals 1/2. Okay, or what of f of we have -1, 1, and 0. So f of 1, right, plus f of -1. All right, minus f of 0, right? So look at the sign right here. Look at the sign. So b is equals 1/2. Also f of 1, but that's a little bit different from the top, minus f of -1, right? So c, let's see, c is equals f of 0, right? Or with all those data, so we have to able to solve our problem here. We need to start with strong ideas. All right. So keep in your mind this data. So this is the base to find the answer in our problem. Okay. Let's erase it here, and then let's try to find the answer in our problem. It's a Mathematics Olympiad. Remember, it's not easy. You need to start with a good beginning. So now let's write here to start here for x belong to this point, -1 and 1, right? Comma 1. All right, right there. So let's I will try to write on step right here in this little space, and this little space. So first step, just write f of x. All right, f of x. We have it right equals, it's a little long process here. It's a long process. So just write, remember, 1/2, remember the points that I gave it to you before. 1/2 of what? Of 1/2 of f of 1. Alright? So plus f of -1. Right? Minus, remember, f of 0. Okay? Times x to the second power. Let me write to the second power right there. Okay, plus, continue, 1/2 plus 1/2 of f of 1. F of 1 minus f of -1. Right? Times now x. Times x plus f of 0. All this process, okay, keeping in your mind. So next step equals, this is, you simplify all this data here, you simplify that, we will have, I will write with a different color here. So just write here 1/2, okay, is a little bit simple. So times x to the second power here plus x. Okay, simplify that. Plus f of 1, right? F of 1 plus 1 of minus x squared, right? Plus f of 0. F of 0 right there. Now another plus 1/2, again 1/2 times x squared minus x. Okay, now here is plus, now it's minus x, right? Minus x times f times -1. This, here is plus. F -1, right? So now here, close this. That's right. That's this symbol is right here. All right. So now just the next step will be less or equals than. Less, or use that sign. Again, write 1/2 here, right? 1/2 times absolute value x right here times. So I mean 1/2 of absolute value x times here x plus 1. All right, x plus 1 times f of 1. F of 1 plus 1 plus x. 1 plus x to the second. No, here is let's see, plus or minus. Is minus. It's negative. Yeah, negative x. Negative x to the second power here. Yeah, to the second power times f times times absolute value of f of 0, right? F of 0 plus again 1/2 of absolute value x times x minus 1, all right, times here is times f times negative f of -1, not times, f of -1. So this is absolute value. It's an absolute value, right? the sign. Now see how simplify this. Next step. Alright, it's all long. Remember, this Mathematical Olympiad. We need to be very smart and careful when you do step by step by step. Okay, so we are here now. So now it's again 1/2. Yeah, 1/2 of 1/2 of absolute value of x times 1 plus x. 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1 minus x to the second power plus again 1/2 of absolute value x times 1 minus x. Right? Almost done. That's it. Remember, we have to show that this f of x is less or equals than 5/4 for all x belong to in this point, -1, comma 1, right? So last step is now it's equals. Let's write equals here. It's the last step. Last step is going to be negative x to the second power, okay, plus absolute value x plus 1. Okay, this is equals, open parenthesis here, and then here absolute value x minus or negative 1/2, negative 1/2, negative 1/2, close parenthesis to the second power, plus 5/4, because this we're looking for this number less than 4, 5/4, here minus or equals. It's just as a conclusion, minus or equals is this sign. We're talking about this sign. Look at this, 5/4. So we got it, the answer, right? We got it, the answer. All right, you guys, remember, if you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential.